Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Okay, so I just wanted to come real quick and film this intro for this video that is going to be a month-long video. So it is May 4th. Can you see that? Yeah, May 4th. And I'm going to try and go 30 days without heat on my hair. I'm going to try it. I know it's gonna be hard, and I know I'm probably gonna have to do it like twice or something, just because sometimes with modeling it is hard. Sometimes I have to ride with my straight blown out hair to jobs and stuff, and it's hard. But I'm gonna try my best to not straighten my hair because I want to try and get my curls back. Okay, so for those who don't know, I do have a naturally curly hair. I have been, straightening my hair. I have been putting a lot of heat in my hair, I will be honest. My hair used to be very curly, and as you can see, the ends are a little bit straight. Not a little bit straight, they are very straight. Okay, so some people might like my hair like this, like, oh my god, you have nice curls, and thank you if you think that. I do know that my hair is a lot curlier than this. Anyways, the point of this video and this intro is just to show you guys what my hair looks like right now, May 4th. I'm probably gonna come back like June 4th or something like that, and I'm gonna show you guys if my curls are looking a lot better. Can't believe I'm turning 25 this month. That is crazy. I have to thank my parents for the good genes that they gave me, because my parents look very young. Anyways, comment down below if you thought that I was much younger than 25 years old. I'm excited to see how my hair is gonna be in a month, and I still have to wait a month. At least you guys just have to wait a couple of seconds to see. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a month. Hey guys, so I am back. It is June 19th. As you can see, June 19th. It is June 19th, and it's been about a month. More than that, maybe like a month and a half. So I've only straightened my hair once that entire month, and it was for the video that I just posted doing the Revlon and Calista blowout. So if you guys want to check it out, go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. So these are my curls without heat, like absolutely no heat. I didn't use a wand to curl my hair or anything. Look, it looks very bouncy. Look at that bounce. That's gonna be my new thing. Very bouncy. On this side I still have a couple of like straighter parts like this one, but I mean most of the curls look very curly, like very bouncy and very defined. I am gonna tell you guys what I did to transform my hair from this to this. So the first thing that I did was cut my hair, cut my ends, because my ends were so damaged they would not curl. So if I wanted my hair to curl nice quicker, and then I just had to get rid of those dead ends. Like I just had to get rid of the split ends. They were just very damaged from straightening my hair every week, almost every other day. Like it was like I would straighten my hair a lot, so I just had to cut my ends, and I cut about 2 inches, probably that much. I just had to cut my ends because if I wanted my hair to curl, to actually curl and not be straight like this the whole time, then yeah, I needed to do that. So I mean, if you don't want to do it, then that's up to you, but I would really recommend it because it makes such a big difference, and it just makes everything look way better. I still need to, I'm gonna give these couple of curls a chance before I maybe cut them. But slowly they've been curling a lot more, so it's just, have a lot of patience, and hopefully they will curl. My next tip would be to not put heat on your hair. Like really just try to stay away from it. Don't blow out your hair, don't straighten your hair, don't curl it with the wands or nothing. Really try to stay away from it the most you can. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the products that I used. I know you guys are waiting to see what products I use. I also have some drugstore products. Oh my god, I have a lot of products that I gotta share with you guys. So let's start with the shampoo and conditioner. So I found online that these shampoo and conditioners from this brand are like super good. Like they just make your hair so smooth, and yeah, I like it, but I just don't like the price. I feel like for the price it's kind of not worth it. Like you can almost get the same type of product, the same type of cream, shampoo, and conditioner for way cheaper, like probably like half the price. So I'm talking about these. So this is the Curly Wurly from Lush. This is a shampoo, and then this is the Retread hair conditioner from Lush as well. So these are about $30 each, not together, each. So this right here is $60, which to me is just like a little bit insane, honestly, especially for the little bit of amount that you get. Like, this is like so small, like I just can't. Anyways, this is the shampoo. So this is for curly hair, but I mean, I even just stopped using it because I'm not a fan of it. I just don't like the texture either. Like, as you can see, I went like halfway. It looks like un dulce de coco. Seriously, like, this is a coconut. This is coconut. Like, this is very, you know, very natural, very fresh, okay? But it's just I don't think it really does all that to your hair. Like, it's just, I don't know. And I don't like the texture of this. Let me show you guys. So it's just weird. Do you see that? It's like coconut. I don't know if you can see that. It's like, it's just kind of tricky when you're putting it in your hair. It kind of just gets lost in my hair, honestly, because it's like I just find little pieces of coconut just like chilling. I don't know. I'm just like not crazy about the texture. Like, it's just kind of weird. I'm used to more just like liquidy, you know, regular shampoos. This, I'm not repurchasing. It's alright. It's just too pricey for me. I don't know. And then this one, I used it all. As you can see, it's empty. Have you seen that meme where it's like a little bit of conditioner, but then curly hair girls end up using like this much? It's like, that's what happened with me. I need a lot of conditioner to detangle my hair. This is just too little for $30. This is like very, very small. This is just too little for $30. I wouldn't repurchase it. It's just like, But this is another product that I got from Lush. This was also like $30, guys. Lush is expensive. But I like this. I like this. I actually used this today. This is the Hair Moisturizer R&B. It's even smaller. But this I only use when I'm curling my hair. As you can see, I still have a lot. And it's because I only use about, no, a little bit more. I only use about that much. And I put that on my ends. And I use that right before curling my hair. It really gives my hair a very natural look, a very like soft look, very moisturized, and I really do like this. Will I repurchase it though? I don't know. If it cost me $30, I don't know if I would repurchase it, but it is nice. I do like it. So on to the hair mask. So I'm going to show you guys one that's a little bit more expensive and then one that's like more like drugstore. So this is the Olaplex number 3. I love this. This is really good. This probably cost me about $30 as well. You can use this once a week. You can use it twice a week, I believe. So I wash my hair. I apply this on my hair when it is wet, and I leave it on overnight. And it's just, I even let my hair like air dry and leave that in there just to, you know, sink in my hair and really like hydrate my hair. And this really helps. I feel like this mask really helps with my curls just like coming back to life. I really like this one. Another one that I love, and this one's only $5. So it is the 3-Minute Miracle. Yes, from Aussie. This is amazing. I've had this for a while now. This is pretty big. There's a lot of product in here, and this will last you a while. Like, I love this. And you really only need 3 minutes for this mask. It's so good. You put it on your hair, wait 3 minutes, and then you rinse it off, and your hair's gonna be so soft. I swear it's gonna be so soft. You're gonna love it. Okay, so on to the products that I use to style my hair. So the products that I use today to get my curls like this. So the first thing that I have to mention that is the best thing ever. So happy that I discovered this brush for my curls. So this brush is so nice for defining your curls. I love this so much. I already filmed a video explaining how to curl your hair with this brush and how to define your curls with this brush. So if you guys are interested in that and watching that, I'm gonna link it down below as well. I'm gonna link a lot of stuff down below in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. So what I use to curl my hair, the creams that I use are this one. So this is the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. I love this. And I use the DevaCurl SuperCream Coconut Curl Styler Define and Control. I love this. I love these two together. These were like meant to be together. This really moisturizes your hair, gives it that shine that I like, and then this defines the curls because this is like a gel. But together I just feel like it makes the curls look like soft but defined, and I love that. I love that combination. I'm already done with this one. I love this so much that I'm gonna repurchase it right away. Like I need to do that right now actually. Like I'm gonna go and buy this right now because I need this in my life. So I'll be right back. And then if you don't have this, then you can always go with this one. This is the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. I like this, but I only use this like twice because I just ended up using this one again, because this one I just feel like defines the curls even more. Like this leaves it soft but not as soft as this one. So I'll probably use this once I'm done with this, or maybe I'll just repurchase this one because I really like this one, but I prefer this one. So I'm gonna link both of them down below. It really just depends on what you like though. If you like more like the frizz free, like defined look, then I would go with this one. If you like the softer look, some people like that better, like my cousin, then you will like this one. So yeah guys, those are all the products that I use. I'm gonna show you guys my curls one more time. So here's this side. Look at that bounce. And then here's this side. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So there's the back. So yeah guys, that is my 1 month transformation, my hair transformation. I totally recommend doing it if you want to embrace your natural curls. Do it, go for it, like embrace them. I'm still gonna upload videos trying out different hair tools because I know you guys really like those, so I'm still gonna do that. I'm just not gonna do it like every single video because then my hair is gonna get really fried. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. If you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well. Go check out the video where I show you guys how to define your curls with the Denman brush. Bye guys, love you.